Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Liese Bubble hair color. First, always perform a skin allergy test 2 days before coloring to ensure safety. Make sure your hair is completely dry and clean, free from any oils or styling products. Protect your shoulders with a towel and wear the provided gloves to prevent staining. Carefully read the entire instruction manual included in the box. It contains crucial details specific to your product. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe coloring experience. Now, let's mix and apply. Pour the entire contents of Solution 1 into the Solution 2 bottle. Close the cap tightly and gently invert the bottle about 5 times. Do not shake vigorously. Squeeze the center of the bottle to dispense a generous amount of rich foam onto your gloved hand. Apply this foam directly to your dry hair, starting from the roots and working your way down to the ends, ensuring even coverage. After applying the foam, let the color develop for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. You can check a small section of hair to see if the desired color intensity has been reached. Once the processing time is complete, rinse your hair thoroughly with warm water until the water runs clear. Do not use shampoo at this stage. Next, apply the Rinse Off treatment sachet provided in the kit, leaving it on for a few minutes before rinsing again. For lasting color, follow these aftercare tips. Shampoo and condition your hair using products specifically designed for color-treated hair. This helps seal in the color. Try to avoid washing your hair every day, as frequent washing can fade the color more quickly. Incorporate a deep conditioning treatment into your weekly routine to keep your hair moisturized and healthy. Proper aftercare will help maintain your vibrant new look for longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.